Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shweta Jain and today I am going to talk to you about pre-diabetes and how to prevent it. 30% of the world's adult population is pre-diabetic. That is, 1 in every 3 people is pre-diabetic. But the sad part is, most of us don't even know that we are suffering from pre-diabetes. There is immense lack of awareness about pre-diabetes and I wish to make you aware and ready. So in this video, we'll talk about what is pre-diabetes, what are the symptoms of pre-diabetes, what are the causes and risk factors of pre-diabetes, how can we check pre-diabetes, and lastly, what is the prevention or treatment for pre-diabetes. So what is pre-diabetes? Pre-diabetes is a condition where your blood glucose level is higher but not too high to be called diabetes. If this condition is not treated at right time, it can get converted into diabetes. People with type 2 diabetes almost always have pre-diabetes first. A vast majority of people have pre-diabetes. So what are the symptoms of being pre-diabetic? If you have following symptoms, you may be suffering from pre-diabetic. First, increased urination. So your body tries to excrete excess of glucose from the kidneys through urine. Second, increased thirst. Whenever you do excess urination, the excess water comes out of the body and your body is deprived of water. Third, increased tiredness. So glucose is not able to enter the cells and release energy in the absence of insulin. This leads to tiredness of the body. So next I am going to talk about causes and risk factors associated with diabetes. If you are greater than 45 years of age, you have family history of diabetes, you are obese, especially if you have belly fat, you have sedentary lifestyle, you consume a lot of alcohol, you have unhealthy eating habits, you don't sleep properly and you take a lot of stress, and you have a high cholesterol. Pre-diabetes and diabetes should not be taken for granted because they have huge complications associated with it, such as nerve damage, kidney damage, heart attack, amputation and loss of vision. So now let's talk about how to detect pre-diabetes. So if you have any of the above risk factors or you suffer from any of the symptoms, you should definitely get your pre-diabetes checked. To check your pre-diabetes, there are 3 simple blood tests which are required. Any of them would be enough to diagnose your pre-diabetes. First, fasting blood glucose. Fasting blood glucose means your glucose level in your blood when you have fasted for at least 8 hours. The normal values of fasting blood glucose is 70 to 100 milligrams per deciliter. If it is more than that, from 100 to 120, it is called pre-diabetes. If it is more than 120, it is called diabetic range. Second, oral glucose tolerance test. Oral glucose tolerance test measures your blood sugar content 1 to 2 hours after consumption of 75 gram glucose. The normal values of this test are less than 140 mg per deciliter. If your blood sugar levels are 140 mg to 200 mg per deciliter, you are called pre-diabetic. If it is more than 200, you are called diabetic. HbA1c test. The former 2 tests only measures the blood glucose level at that moment. HbA1c test measures the blood glucose level through your past 3 months. The normal values of HbA1c test are less than 6%. If you have a value between 6 to 6.5%, then it is called pre-diabetes. If you have a value greater than 6.5, then you are called diabetic. How to prevent or treat pre-diabetes? Pre-diabetes can be reversed with early diagnosis and treatment. Pay attention to your health and get yourself diagnosed if you fall in the high-risk groups such as obese, aged, pregnant or heart patients. Follow the following precautions or treatment. First, diet. Cut off your sugar content from the food. Follow a healthy diet. Shift to whole grain and vegetable rich diet. Drink a lot of water. Secondly, you should exercise. Pick a moderately intensity exercise such as brisk walking and perform it for at least 30 minutes daily. Third, lifestyle. Reduce the stress levels in your life through the ways such as medication. Get sound sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours a day. Keep your cholesterol and blood sugar level under control. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Making these changes in your daily routine will not only keep you in preventing diabetes, but also keep your overall health good as well. If you are finding it difficult to manage diabetes on your own, Diabetes Mantra is here to help. We provide you with the best diabetologists, dietitians, health coaches that will provide you with your diet charts, exercises, and will take care of you as your own.